Here's a small deal of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, from a Winton area, rules and millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see there is a reflection of the lights. Just going a little bit. Okay, I've just gone in a little bit so you get a better idea of the pieces. Looks like a hollow there, but it's been ground down smooth. It's just the flow of the opal. Ready to make into a stone. Next bit's a nice blue piece. Face on this piece is still rough, it needs to be smoothed. Unless you want to have a natural finish. This piece probably end up cutting that off and that off to have two stones. The black there is permanent marker someone's used to mark the stone with. You can see here they've cut it off from a bigger piece. There's a blue piece, again permanent markers being marked out. That's what you probably want to make into a stone. Cheers.